Alright, a short video on how to change your brush assembly for your Dyson attachment. This one here, as you notice, it's worn out. The brushes are gone. Usually a regular vacuum, you have to take it apart because there's a belt that's driving this. But this one is air driven, so there's no belt involved. So all you gotta do is get to the side right here. Turn it clockwise, and it pops out. Take the assembly out. Get your new one. Make sure you put it the same direction. And then you reuse this piece right here. Usually it just pops right out. Get it over here. And line it up right there. And turn it. You gotta push down and turn at the same time. Locks in place. And there you go. You got yourself a new assembly ready to go. This does need a good cleaning first of all. So I would recommend, if you're gonna do this, take the time, clean it out, and put the new part in. Thanks for watching.